The All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association has entered its 17th day of protest, expressing dissatisfaction with the Education Department's response to their demands for a salary hike. On the 16th of October 2024, a delegation representing the teachers submitted a fresh memorandum seeking a 100% increase in salary. After meeting with Education Minister Meghalaya Ssa and Commissioner and Secretary of the Education Department Vijay Kumar Mantri, the Vice President of the Association, Defender S. Lamare, voiced frustration, stating that authorities cited insufficient funds for the proposed hike. Lamare criticized the government for allocating funds for consultants and other officials, but failing to address the legitimate salary concerns of the teachers.
Commissioner Secretary nakaliang jong I laong ba nila ya chaprang ban kre katu kat ne tuli ki mat abide ban penbit penbiang ya ki jingdawa ki jungi kinoi kai te nrei nakaliang jongi pat ni laong ba ni don kam ya ka concrete answer dan ne kan jubab ka ba khambiang ka ba kham tikna te nakaliang jong I ong bangam patla banai hadu ta ta te nang simpor nomor baka nakaliang sarkar kanang haban pankre sakatu kan itu liki jingdon kap te hadin kata ngi layo banya kendo ya di education minister badan buram jongi nakaliang jong I nila ila yathu ngi omba nakaliang sarkar ila ele istam ban khore ban pendit pendang jingdon kambaro te kalong pat ka basosi nomor bangi la nyau tuliki memorandum ngi la ai nadu arhajar khat khandai ngila ya chaprang ngila penkan mau yang sarkar nakapor chakapor limba ki memorandum limba ki reminders ki jungi indrai ka sosi patkolong batat hadu bangi dami madan kumne ngi da thia madan kumne kisa kendit benreu kisa khore ban penbit penbiang ita te nakaliang jong education minister long ba kan simpor nomor bangila refer ya kan ka case ke jong pi shaka education commission te ngilah kali ong ba katnupor kan simpor kata ti ong lakum nomno November ne hadu Desember te mut kata ka de ke ka bajrong pha ki persyang ban thiet por le se ban penjalan ya ka por te kane kalong te ke ka bangim skutenat hoi ni ai ya ka jingero yang sarkar bakala sim katu kan ne teliki step ban wanra kumdo ban address ke issues ke jungi kum kinoi kai mentala prat teliki snam klam dan kanu jing penkiu tulap tinggi aingo sarkar nakaliang jang sarkar ka persyang hiban le katu ne tenrei hadu mendapat ngimpat la ban yo ya kajing sohun ngimpat sohun ya kajing jubab ko jongki mar kajing jubab ko jongki kampat long concrete hadu kata kani le se nakaliang jongi kum ki no hikai ngi ong bai ka de kajing aidau kamla ban long ba sarkar kam dan pisah nomor ba ki tax ki khazana bar khai kali sarkar kaman sangi te kamla ban long ta ten rei ke de jing ai daw ki don pisa ban siu ya ki consultant ki don pisa siu ki chairman ki co chairman ki vice chairman beli kamla ban don pisa ban siu yang ki no hikai ndi tang yang ki we ru ki ba don kam apoka jella.
In light of the unsatisfactory outcome, the association's president Peter Ternyang declared that the protest would continue at the Mulki grounds Shillong until their demands are all fulfilled.
Kani ka jingya ki ka jungi ka ba nilabu angni ka indefinite sit demonstration ginang ya chakman ikrpa ri ginai kai bakin wan ship menta shurham bar ginang penjur su ya kani ka jingya ki ka jungi om tang hang ni hapo kanong ba Shillong henry wat shaki district kamtam e hapo tura ngin sakhot e ka jingya lang ka ba he ha ka ba baru ka kini kai nakathan Garo Hills kin sawan ba ship menta batman pau sha khamat ka parthai ba kani ko sarkar ka jungi ka banta ka balong kum ka kebe henry ka ale meina than palat yangi ti ngin sang penjur nang ni sikmat bat parkhoi ngakrpa di kini kai na kali jungi ki badon hangni ba kin sup ha ban yasim banta sim khia na mar kani ki ka kamyap kam im ka jong wei pe wei unai kai hapo jong ka jala Meghalaya.